Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do a project share of all the sneakers I have created so far. I did create another one, but one of them is kind of like a duplicate. They were both like the same papers for the most part with like slight variation, but pretty much the same. So I already sent one out in some happy mail, but I will show you guys the other four that I have here. So you guys know this is the first one that I made in a video. This is what the finished product looks like up close. I ended up adding this pearl, I added this strap here, and a puffy star that I glued down here. This I ended up adding like these little studs in the front here. I think it's so cute. There is a lot going on in the shoe, but I am loving it. And I have this cute little tassel right here. I think it all turned out so stinking cute. We got a bow back here. It's so cute, guys. If you guys also want to get in on this sneaker action, I will have a link down below to where you guys can find the video. Definitely check that out, but it's so stinking cute. So that is the first one that I made. Then the second one I made, I was like, okay, I really want to make a shaker. So that's what I did here. Using that same file and everything, I just turned this one into a shaker. This one was kind of hard to put together. I don't know what I did wrong, but it didn't really want to mold into the proper shape. So yeah, this is what we got here, but it did eventually work out and I turned it into a shaker. I just had to back the bottom with some chipboard because it wasn't working out for me at first. But anyway, this is what that looks like. We got the bow back here with a little heart. Super cute. So that turned out really nice. Then we have all these sequins. Here I decided to not do all eyelets and I did it the other way where you add in like a strip here. So I did that, and then here I added in these little charms and dangles. These are the ones I got from Shower Crane. Not all of them, some of them, like 3 of them are from Shower Crane, and then 2 of them are ones that I made, which is this one and this one down here. So, you know, I make some of my own also, but I also have ordered some from her before I discovered how to make them from Veronica's video. So yeah, and this one has some pearl trim here. We got some gold accents, another little bow up front. Yeah, another little pearl thing, but this time in pink. And it's just another really cute shoe. Here is the third one that I made. Another shaker. Okay, I thought they moved around a little bit more, but I guess not. Well, you know, it's like tight in there. Anyway, so this is another shaker style. I have the little star up here. This one is probably like the cleanest looking one due to, you know, the papers not being so super patterned, but I still love all of them that I've created. Like, I can't pick and choose which one's my favorite. So this one again does not have the eyelets. It just has this kind of attachment, but it does have the gold puffy stars. Another little bow back here with another little gemmy. And this one has these charms here, and these ones are ones that I wire wrapped myself. And I added also a little star charm right here, you guys could see. So I added this little star charm right here. I added this cute little tassel, this like matte bead. I added the letter K because this one is going out to somebody. And then I added this little heart as well. So that's that. Then over here in the front, I added these giant things. I just had them laying around in my stash, so I threw them in here. I think it's cute. I think it adds a little something. I was going to do the studs again, but then I decided not to because it has all those on top, but I think it turned out really cute that way. I did all the stitching with the gold thread and ran out of gold thread. And then it has this cute little lace. And then for the tongue here, I just layered it with vellum to kind of mute the colors a little bit because otherwise I just thought it was too green in the front. So I just layered that with some vellum, and that's shoe number 3. And then shoe number 4 is a high tops version. So this one I just used like some marble paper. The other ones I used the Bloom collection for all of them, but this is just like some random paper that I got from Michael's that my babe actually bought for me because I wasn't going to pay $20 for the paper pad. It just was not on sale and I just loved it. So my babe bought it for me, and I used that that paper pad, and I think it turned out really cute. I did stitching. I didn't have gold. I ran out, so I had to do, I did a hot pink all around here. This one back here has a little bit of like that pearl, the gold detail on the bottom, like that strip of paper. It has a different kind of thread. It's lighter pink than the other one and a little bit thicker because I thought, you know, it's a bigger shoe, so might as well get some thicker shoelaces. And then it just has like the front. I don't know what to add up front here. I was thinking like a little heart, like maybe like this or something, just to add a little something there. I feel like it needs something, I just don't know what. But then at the same time I was thinking the hearts should kind of go here on the side. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think of where my hearts should go. But I have not just one pair of this, but I actually, or not just one shoe, but I actually have a pair of these guys. So they're both the same and they're so cute. I'm just loving making these shoes. I don't know, but they're so stinking cute and I'm loving it. So that's how those turned out. So that is it, guys. You have all of my nice little sneakers in one place. I wanted to show you guys this way because I realized that not everybody wants to watch hour-long videos, but if you guys see this, then maybe you guys will want to also create one and then will check out that video. I mean, I'm not saying you have to check out that video, but I'm just saying, like, you know, if you want to find out how to create this, then go for it. I'll have it linked down below. But I just realized that not everybody's going to click on like a hour-long video and have that time to watch. And then they might forget about it, so I thought I would just do like a little project share, and it's nice to have all of my shoes all in one place and see like the different variety that I have created so far. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.